Hi traders, it's Nathan here from TradeView and welcome to episode 206 of the Trading Talk series. In this week's episode, I'll be talking about a model that is a slight adaptation on one of the first systems I built when I started trading. It takes advantage of fluctuations in the market and we focus on having tight stops and letting our winners run. We'll also use a number of ideas to manage the position to ensure that when we're wrong, we cut our losses short, and when we're right, we can go long. If you haven't already organised your ticket to the conference, please believe me when I say that you do not want to miss out on this year's event. We have Perry Kaufman, Trevor Neil and Stefano Serafini who will be showing you in detail the models they build. It will give you a new perspective on how you can look and trade the markets. If you are not already a client and you'd like to watch episode 206 in full, create the model. Just purchase the series by clicking the Learn More button on the top left of this page or in the YouTube description. To get updated first, when a new episode has been released, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to receive notifications. I hope you enjoy episode 206 of Trading Talk, and until next week, all the best with your trading.